Lesson number explanation. Large in size: horse, bullock, cow, elephant, etc. Medium: dog, sheep, cat, etc. Small: mouse, squirrel, etc. Smaller: mosquitoes, houseflies, cockroaches, etc. Elephant's body is bulky and legs are heavy, so it cannot run at great speed, while the deer has thin legs. It runs fast. Frog's hind legs are long, so it can easily hop, jump, and leap. Useful. Cow gives us milk. Likewise, buffaloes and goats give us milk. Bullocks help with farm work, also used to carry burdens. The dog guards our house. People love to keep such animals. Some people keep animals to get milk, meat, and eggs. Gatecrashers. Mice and rats destroy the stored grain. Besides gnawing other things in the house, scientists classify animals like cat, dog, goat, and rat grow upon their mother's milk. Birds fly. They have 2 legs and 2 wings. Fish can live in water only. Chameleons, house lizards, and snakes are animals that crawl. Butterflies can fly, but they are insects. There are different colors of animals. Example: duck is white, parrot is green, crow is black, and the peacock has many colors.